Finding your next retail location shouldn't take months. Consumer demand is shifting, and the pressure to make the right call has never been higher. Yet most teams are still waiting weeks for technical reports, working across fragmented data, and making million-dollar decisions on outdated insights. Unlike traditional GIS tools, CARTO eliminates data fragmentation and technical bottlenecks, letting your team build and deploy everything from AI agents and geospatial workflows to interactive maps directly in your cloud data warehouse. This means a retail strategy analyst can open CARTO and type a simple question: where are the next retail opportunities in the UK? Or a location of interest, and perform advanced spatial analysis and surface insights in minutes. The CARTO AI agent surfaces key findings in the 15 most strategic retail opportunities for underserved markets by consumer segment. Without any manual steps, it adds a new map layer and runs queries automatically, giving every user fast, self-service answers while delivering speed, security, and lower operational costs. And it doesn't stop there. The CARTO AI agent recommends campaign messaging for each location based on the consumer segment, population, and competitors in the area, helping day-to-day operations. In one session, we moved from a blank map to a complete retail go-to-market strategy, all in one place. That's the power of CARTO and CARTO AI agents. Want to see more use cases in action? Reach out to a member of our team today.